Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So I will put this one go to the right. This one I change by dy over dx. Next, so I will put dx go to the right, y square go to the left. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. This one we have negative 1 over y. This one we have s to the power of 3 over 3. And I will put about c. Now we simplify number 3. Now, I will put this one go to the left, y go to the right. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.